Congress outshines BJP in Chhattisgarh, Rajasthan and Madhya Pradesh State Assembly elections. Combined Police Commando team rescues 3 kidnapped workers of Shivalya Constructions this afternoon. Agriculture Director P.H. Rajendra appeals farmers not to waste straws post-harvest but to convert into compost. Thawal Multi-Purpose Project Neglected Area Agricultural Divisional Organization demands improvement of irrigation system in Lamlai area. And stat honors state's 6-time World Boxing Champion MC Maricom with Mithoi Leima title. Kurumjari, good evening. You're watching Tuesday Primetime English News. And I'm Victoria Rajkumari bringing you the latest updates. First up, counting of votes for assembly elections in Chhattisgarh, Telangana and Mizoram and Madhya Pradesh is completed while it is still underway for Rajasthan. In 230 assembly constituencies, Madhya Pradesh INC won 114 seats. In 200 seats, Rajasthan Congress has won 103 seats. In 90 constituencies, Chhattisgarh Congress has won 66 seats. In 119 seats, Telangana TRS has won 88 seats. In 40 seats, Mizo National Front has backed 26. Chief Minister Lanthan Haula has lost both the seats. He has been defeated by TJ Lalungtuanga of MNF in Champhai South constituency by a margin of over 1,000 votes. He has also lost Jersey seat to independent Laldu Homa by 410 votes. A combined team of Imphal West Commando and Imphal East Commando has safely rescued the 3 kidnapped laborers of Shivalya Construction Private Company at Liapai, 25 kilometers away from Filand Court around 4:30 this afternoon. Kuki CSOs, Kuki INP and women folks of Filand Court extended great help in rescuing the victims. It may be recalled that Bir Singh, son of Satbir Singh from Haryana, Ramji, son of Kanhailayalang and Dinesh Kumar Yadav, son of Rajdev Yadav, both from UP, were kidnapped by unknown suspected Kuki militants from their work site at Awang Segmai, Khairakpan, Kushong on November 29. Agriculture Department Director P.H. Rajendra has appealed not to waste straws post-harvest and assures that projects are underway to convert the haze into compost. He was speaking in a one-day training program for farmers on rabi crops and pest control at Wangu Tera in Kakching district today. He also inspected cultivation of mustard plants on 23 hectares of land at Lambam Paddy Field by Progressive Farmers cum Pisciculture Cooperative Society, Wangu Sadangkhong under the Agriculture Department. Farmers' registration cards were distributed to farmers during the training program held under RKVY scheme.
Hoi, my park practice or a zero list of Matam de Sarusi might have been no. Was you city department Sarusi, but Manipur Labush in the Mangare, Sarusing the Kakanda, Sarusin compose him a Labush, the pit tower, har, shame getumba, prosegama, yam kind of Pakali, which is already a government there. Must submit over. Masika Yaga, Masi, Queen of Saru Mang, Mango, Sarusi, Pamedicine of the Singum Tower, Seasonasi, Malsing Tower, Manausin Tower, Kupa, the Sas and Preserva, Adolina, High River, I might have a hotel compose him as a Macedonian season Arakanda. ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯃꯅꯤꯄꯨꯔꯒꯤ ꯂꯧꯐꯝꯁꯤꯡꯁꯤ ꯍꯥꯡꯉꯤꯕ ꯂꯧꯐꯝꯁꯤꯡꯁꯤꯗ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯃꯍꯩ ꯃꯔꯣꯡꯁꯤ ꯊꯥꯔꯀꯥꯟꯗ ꯃꯍꯩ ꯃꯔꯣꯡꯁꯤ ꯄꯨꯊꯣꯛꯑꯒꯗꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯃꯅꯤꯄꯨꯔꯒꯤ ꯋꯥꯠꯂꯤꯕ ꯃꯅꯥ ꯃꯁꯤꯡ ꯈꯔꯗ ꯑꯣꯏꯔꯕꯁꯨ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯃꯦꯟꯈꯠꯄ ꯉꯝꯒꯅꯤ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯁꯤ ꯑꯩ ꯊꯥꯖꯕꯅꯤ.
Laumi Senmi Apunbalup in a press release informed that the two-day agricultural entrepreneurship as a profession and mushroom cultivation training program will be held at Central Agricultural University CAU Kau on December 17. Interested candidates are informed to get further details from the association within December 16. Farmers of 60 villages in Lamlai area and Thawbal multi-purpose project neglected Area Agricultural Divisional Organization, that is TMPNADO, have jointly warned of intense agitation if the relevant department fails to repair the long neglected irrigation channels in the area. Speaking to media at Manipur Press Club today, Secretary of the organization T. Dara Singh lamented that the joint review meeting of Water Resource Department and Minor Irrigation chaired by Chief Minister N. Biren at Chief Minister's Secretariat on December 7 failed to take into account grievances of farmers in Lamlai area. Expressing discontentment at the indifference shown by the government, Dara Singh stated that farmers have been urging to improve the irrigation system in the area since the time of former Chief Minister Okram Ibobi. He further mentioned that representatives of TMPNADO met with Chief Minister N. Biren on May 8 last year and agreed upon a concept paper worth 628.65 lakh rupees to resolve their plights. He said the concept paper was marked serial number 17 on the priority list of the Water Resource Department following its submission to the Planning Director. He lamented that the concept paper is still pending for NEC funding and urged the relevant authority to look into the matter.
Governor planning the Madu NEC that include to go hidden mana direction planning the summit to receive engineer na summit to ribani high concept papers the swine to ribasing say masi e the gina adagi AC aduga additional chief engineer na soy torga masi feasible way masi torga the kana rani habasi masi finding later polum kangni quite a hena flash plus two ibusu sajang telo chana aduga noda swai the flash plus don't hit about two ibani masikum bagi yam kudung tiban nangiba areas go mena kangna still tang tariet ki review meeting the flood ki suyog the irrigation is york to say masi lamlai mai go to totally neglect to habagi intention ma akoi the field to.
A 3-day state-level training program on enhancing fish production to increase income from fish farming, sponsored by NABARD, kicked off at ICAR Research Complex for any reason, Lumphil today. Speaking in the event, NABARD Deputy General Manager Dr. R. Rabi Babu stated that popularity of fish in the state necessitates fish farmers to learn how to enhance fish production. He asserted that fish farming will not only make available abundant fish for consumption in the state, but it will also aid in employment generation. Scientists and fish farmers attended the event. A team of 13 students and 3 teachers of El Tomcho Higher Secondary School has left Imphal for participating in the national level Kala Utsav 2018 to be held in New Delhi on December 12th. Education Minister Thokchom Radhesham flagged off the team from SSA office in Babupara this morning. The team representing Northeast and Eastern Zone will perform a one-act play entitled Mahatma Gandhibu Ningsing Lubada in the event.
Manipur si picture so yam talented oiba adugumba nahas in a big thanba adu mistake amani haibadu ngasi amuka na koi reaffirm tawre anywhere da koi any field da koi yangang sin na koi dimna sakhiba da padam koi mai para jabo ning se pura lakuna te.
Center for Myanmar Studies organized a 2-day discussion program on borderland and governance, Northeast India and Myanmar at Court Hall of Manipur University today. Experts stressed on understanding the administrative system in Manipur on the first day today. 33 delegates from Myanmar, professors, research scholars and people from various other fields attended the event. Khundrakpam Kendra Educational Development Organization has condemned the remarks of Nongthombam Rajendra Elias Boy as unfortunate. Organization members laid media witnessed the free coaching camp underway at Model High School, Khundrakpam, Sagolmang Higher Secondary School and various other welfare activities under the initiative of MLA Thokchom Lokeshwar today. Organization members and media persons also visited the ongoing renovation of Sagolmang Higher Secondary School and Kaibi Aided High School under MLA Local Area Development Fund. Media also held interactions with teachers of Naurem Birahari College regarding ongoing construction works in the college. Advisor of Khundrakpam Kendra Educational Development Organization, T.H. Megachandra, condemned Nongthombam Rajendra Elias Boy for trying to malign the image of the local MLA on media yesterday.
Masidagina sahi kharigi mamanga leramba sakot tharong kaya dagi hojik education gi lamda lambi thong gi lamda electric gi lamda punamak sakot tharom toriba kaya si ngarang dang lakpa Sri Nongthombam Boy singo guhada leba hangoi mangna kari sukhangma ngamoi mahana achoba maha sagar ma satpa taragadi khundakpam gi sakholiba kaya se ma mi ki sinba ngamgodabani maram aduna amuktang khundakpam kendra se koina satlaga yengbiraba matungda adongi mot pibiu haina khundakpam kendra development committee gi makai dagi miyang pham thamjari.
A staff of Kaibi Aided High School, Soibam Tikendrajit, intimated that the long-neglected Kaibi Aided High School is being renovated under the initiative of the local MLA. He further mentioned that the local MLA has assured to purchase land for proper campus with football field for the school. Pukrambam Bishorjit, a teacher giving free coaching at Khundrakpam Model High School for Class 10 students, stated that the local MLA provided allowances for the teachers and stationery items for poor students of Khundrakpam constituency.
Mogi metric exam the crash course revision course taunaba honajai honajaba sar lokeso application ma thajaraga sasamana free coaching camp da pangthosaning haiba matamda sar location yam warmly welcome tawi angang yam phajana study material loi suna pibiduna yam phajana nungaina chalaijare
thika orju anyway construction development school gi tawbi gada bo orgadi thika orju staff ki side or khoi construction committee gi side gi di semgot sagat peda thika tawbi ge na khanbi ba lerga ju ede ta krai de pisana thika tawbi doino adu masidei da semgot sagat pa yawbi ninga ga ju kala aga ju yaw semgot sagat pa ji yawbi ro haina khoi hajini
mogi metric exam gi da crash course revision course taunaba honajaba sar lokeso da application ma thajaraga sasamana free coaching camp.
It's time for a small commercial break. After the break, we bring you news on a memorial lecture held in relation to the 6th anniversary of renowned writer late Seram Mangi. We'll be back with the details after the break. Keep watching Impact News. Welcome back. You're watching Tuesday Primetime English News. Seram Mangi Singh Foundation organized a memorial lecture event in relation to the 6th death anniversary of renowned writer late Seram Mangi today. The program was held at Ibudhau Wangren Khana Chawwa Community Hall in Akampat. Social activist Lehau Thabam Sarachandra graced the event as the chief guest. Speaking in the event, Director of All India Radio Station Dilip Mayengbam recalled late writer Seram Mangi as a multi-talented personality who have made immense contribution in literature, radio and various other fields. Presentation of Seram Mangi Singh Memorial Award 2018 to senior journalist Ningombam Hemantakumar and the memorial lecture on centralization, decentralization paradox, a reflection on center-state relation by economist Dr. Chinglian Mishnam marked the event.
Taumangi si panakui na tinajahui oguyam bhai aduga akhoi straightforward way mesi media person na moina tagum thokpane phajada badu phajade phatta badu phate haiba ngamba apha badu phai haina thagat pasu haiba animak changi me kharana tausunaraga lip service hoina chinna sum noksan na ba thamoi ge sing badu de hai da basi am tawi basi buna koi gi diplomatic ai oiba hai ba hai madu ai kaya hinajade aning badu hai tu pana maru ne na khanje sauning amusu khana thokpa launa thokpa loiraga pukhalingha thanadana isudu loisin giba khangdok nawa solution purpose tangai phadena.
HDFC Bank's Life Care Finance was opened at Sijur Hospital to facilitate patients today. Speaking in the event, Managing Director of CJ Hospital, Dr. Palin Kundombam, stated that Life Care Finance will provide loans to patients at minimum interest and ease their financial constraints for treatment. He mentioned that loans will be provided for cosmetic surgeries, laparoscopic surgeries, eye care treatment, dental treatment, weight loss surgeries, knee replacement, hair transplantation and hearing aid devices, amongst others.
Healthcare da maruina kudak ta koina paisa puthok ngam da bakangbu aidi sangna ne sahi masangna ani sangna singba ngamba adigi phibon di leiba adu sigi sina yam chauna koi layeng bada mating pangne na koi khanjai aduga sigi posi akoina atei area da koina expand tawba khopagi possibility du na kona la agasu hoji hoji gi oina di piriba hoji lairiba koi disease pattern mai list yauri sidadi yamna phajana cover tawre.
Manipur Friendship Organization has cautioned that public against individual who dupe people under the pretext of microfinance. Speaking to media at MFO office in Babupara today, President of the organization SM Ashan stated that many victims have reported to the organization. He alleged that One Chingmi Finance in Kakwa and Manipur Finance at Kaithel Manbi have duped people to give 1,000 rupees for a larger return of 1 lakh rupees. He said a woman identified as Khangebam Jina Elise Bina, 46 years from Kakwa, Lamdaibung, absconded after collecting large sums of money from several people. Hassan appealed to on guard against such fraudsters.
Suppose loan masa piduna am saukhan ngai honaringai timing sida fake oiba kaisuna traba mioi amakhakna di microfinance bank ni haraga maming saraga paisa khomamiba asidagi Manipur parjana section biu adi parja singna su makhata na sugum lak pasing se mari makhong mapung bana thidu oba matungda thabuk sida join to biu natraga di lapthok biu aduga makhata na asumaina microfinance ki mingda khomgatliba mioi leramaga su topiu parjada awaba pibiganu.
The 45-day-long Theatre Research Residential Workshop on Theatre of Art, Kanhailal's Theatre, organized by Kalachetra Manipur since November 1st, concluded today. Altogether, 13 delegates from various other states, including one from Brazil, took part in the workshop held on the theme Know Our Ancestral Tradition at Meitei Langol. Universal Mothers Organization in a press release appealed not to call any ban, blockade or general strike in view of Christmas. MPCC President T.N. Haukeb has launched Honda Company's new SUV Honda CR-V 5th generation at Shanghai Honda Showroom, Ghari Airport Road today. The SUV car comes with 3 years warranty in 5 different colors. Petrol-run SUV Honda CR-V 5th generation cost 28 lakh rupees, while 32 lakh rupees for the diesel model. Shanghai Honda CEO Oinam Vishal and Shanghai Honda staffs were present in the event. Governor Dr. Nachma Haptullah has paid her tributes to the brave women of Manipur who fought against the mighty British on the eve of Nupilal Memorial Day. She appealed to follow the footsteps of the brave mothers in bringing peace and development in the state. Chief Minister Nongthoman Biren has recalled the supreme sacrifices made by brave mothers of the state who fought gallantly against the mighty British on the eve of Nupilal Memorial observance on December 12th. IPR Minister Thongam Biswajit in a press release joined the people of the state in paying tribute to the brave Imas, that is women, who rose against the colonial rule for their monopolistic policies and practices on the eve of Nupilal Memorial observance on December 12th. Lok Janashakti Party LJP Manipur State Unit in a press release also paid tribute to the brave Imas who rose against the colonial rule on the occasion of Nupilal Memorial observance. All Manipur DPC completed candidate of police constable male 2013 in a press release informed that their shutdown has been called off in view of Nupilal Memorial observance tomorrow. Shiv Sena Manipur State Unit carried out a plantation drive in More town today. Party State President Moirangthem Tombi led people in planting various tree saplings in More town, including More Police IB complex. The 26th Assam Rifles Thoubal Battalion organized a one-day free medical camp under Headquarter 9 Sector Assam Rifles at Kaibun village in Thoubal district today. Medical officers and paramedical staffs of the battalion provided various medical assistance including pediatrics, gynae and ophthalmic to over 500 residents in and around the village. Free medicines were also provided to the villagers during the medical camp. Now the sports news. State government has conferred 6-time boxing world champion MC Maricom with the title Mithoi Laima today. Chief Minister Nongthomam Biren also handed over a cheque of 10 lakh rupees to Maricom for winning the record-breaking gold medal in the IVA World Women Boxing Championship 2018 at her latest feat. The felicitation ceremony was organized by Youth Affairs and Sports at Kumalam Park Sports Complex. Deputy Chief Minister, Cabinet Ministers and MLAs attended the ceremony. Meanwhile, Maricom has promised to bring more laurels for the country in the upcoming Tokyo Olympic 2022 and appeal for public support.
Pikrama Manipur sidagi salakanda adugumba asoba mingchat 6 times world gold medals lawraiba isan nupi sida koi mayam sum khanabani aikoi government paijariba koi khakta nate Laibaks the lady Bakanga hay. Marie Lainaba heck Punamaxi, Kara Kanga, the more Roxerakanda. Sumba Quaidigi, Mitoi Mihelabi, Equilabation in Topalapani, Madugisanabi, Lisa Chazat Equilaje, Kungi, Ningtong Logerakas, Laibak even in Tomalay Marina. Madugi Laibak to getting Todugi, leaders Dugi, Projecna Democracy Lacre. Magi Loinabi, Maharanina, Upam Baluho, Maharani will give you sing. Aduga. Maharani Ogibi Adumaleba Ngakpi, Lan Nambi Adugumba, Nupiduna, Nupi, Laimaduna, Setki, Baduma, Pizet Chacha, Pizol Singto, Nasigi, Equi, Labiriba, Equi governments, in a Kupna Kanaraga, Madi Akanga, Kratanaraga. Maricom the Pivum to A had an aquari amalogzimani. Magi Tongadar Maming say, when a pigadar Maming say, Mibung Magalapa, Miwe Babu, Magi, Pildu the man and Magalapa, Miwe Dugi Toiragaleba, Adugumba. I akoi mayam gi Maricom oibanina magi maming si akoina Mithoi Laima haidana laibak ki oiba zati amata gi mingthon nate state sigi oiba mingthon ma Mithoi Laima haidana awarded to Srimati MC Maricom in
Manipuri players Naurem Boinau, Huidrom Vishan and Thongnaujam Johnson representing India in the 18th World Pancake Salad Championship 2018 to be held at Singapore's OCBC Arena Hall 1 Singapore Sports Hub from December 13 to 16 have left Delhi for Singapore today. Naurem Boinau will compete in Tending and Tungal events while Huidrom Vishan and Thongnaujam Johnson will compete in Ganda event. Kaching District Table Tennis Association KDTTA Kaching in a press release informed that winter table tennis coaching class will begin on December 16 until January 20 at Youth Affairs and Sports in Kaching, Chumnang. And before we wrap up, let's take a look at the headlines once again. Congress outshined BJP in Chhattisgarh, Rajasthan and Madhya Pradesh State Assembly elections. Combined Police Commando team rescues the 3 kidnapped workers of Shivalia Construction this afternoon. Agriculture Director P.H. Rajendra appeals farmers not to waste straws post-harvest but to convert into compost. Thawal Multi-Purpose Project Neglected Area Agricultural Divisional Organization demands improvement of irrigation system in Lamlai area. And State honors 6-time World Boxing Champion MC Mary Kom with Mithoi Laima title.